This Realty ONE Group Select property video is presented by Aimee Wieck. Quaint ranch home located on the corner lot just 1 block from Lake Norman. You have easy access to the lake from the community boat ramp and pier. This home has unlimited potential with a spacious kitchen and gas log fireplace in the living room. Large screened-in porch that offers a view of the lake as well. Great space for entertaining. This is the perfect home for someone looking to put a little love into it. Across the street from Ramsey Creek Park and minutes from Jetton Park. It's all about location. For more information, review the details below or contact Aimee Wieck at 704-584-9496.